Today this Sigma person gave me some units and a microwave. And gonna pick medium. BTW, shout out to him. Level 1 microwave. This guy burns everything in his way. And this guy adjusts to TV women. SIGMA rate 9/10. Level 2 microwave. He got even more giga chat. SIGMA rate 11/10. Level 3 microwave. That damage is broken. SIGMA rate 19/10. I seriously had to go AFK. Bozo, if you were watching, I'm sorry. Max microwave. Look at how he is destroying everything in his way. Level 1 Ohio Cameraman at 5/10. Level 2 Ohio Cameraman. Oh boy, that's what I'm talking about, 9/10. Max Ohio Cameraman. 15/10. BB Medium. Level 1 Large Cameraman. Good for starter, 7/10. Level 2 Large Cameraman. SIGMA starter, 9/10.
Level 3 Gat.
Sigma rate 11/10. Max Large Cameraman, 13/10. No way it's Walter White. Let's open an Easter crate. Showcase next video. Alright guys, I'm gonna open 10 Ohio crates and I'm gonna get Sigma stuff. So Sigma, you have to play outdoor music. And maybe those Sigma units can destroy everything in the world. Like any toilet with 1% power. Let's go.